Yes, I agree with you. We have too many presidential candidates for the next year's election. I think most of them can be seen as a joke. Some can be seen as a joke taken too far. But from what we have seen, it is important that we find a way of pruning down the presidential candidates without forcing anybody. It is the right of anybody to contest for presidential election once you are in line with the provisions of the law. So nobody will infringe on your rights. But if you look at it today, it is clear that the contest is already getting stretched. So why do you tell yourself lies? Why do you deceive yourself? So that is exactly what I am saying. Yes, the Labour Party has a candidate, but in consideration of what we are thinking, we have a very strong candidate, a candidate that is known, whose antecedent is known all over Nigeria. But we are also seeing that this contest is coming to be between the incumbent president and the vice president, Atiku Abubakar. There is no way we can deceive ourselves. There's no way we can pretend as if it is not the thing. So we have started the process of persuading our candidate to step down, maybe go to the Senate, so that this context will be seen as between the incumbent and the next candidate, the PDP candidate. So Nigerians will be in a position to make a choice. You know, Nigerians ceded the position of president to the North, and the North has produced two strong Fulani candidates. That is President Muhammad Buhari and President Atiku Abubakar. So the next president is likely going to be a Fulani. So you choose your Fulani, I will choose my own Fulani. But it is important that those presidential candidates who claim to be supporting President Buhari or Vice President Atiku Abubakar has between now and Saturday to withdraw. Why do I advise them to withdraw? So that their campaign of support by the mouth can be seen to be practical. If you don't do that, and you are on the ballot, and you are saying you are supporting President Buhari, or you are supporting Vice President Atiku Abubakar, you are just deceiving yourself and the political atmosphere. Because if you are on the ballot, when you reach that agreement in Abuja, those in the villages will still vote. Votes will be lost. So in the Zenith Labour Party taking a position where to be for 2019 election, we don't want any vote to drop. We have catchment area states we are sure of picking, but we have decided to persuade him, and he's a loyal party member. We want him to go to the Senate. Maybe between now and Saturday, I will take steps to withdraw his nomination as a presidential candidate. So let no presidential candidate, somebody having a ticket, claim he's supporting either. If you don't withdraw by Saturday, those two presidential candidates, Atiku Abubakar and President Buhari, should not take anybody serious.
In this calculation, is any Labour Party not supporting any of this?
Yeah, the party we meet, you know, we are a democratic institution. What we are doing, we have done enough consultations before we arrive at this position. We had a meeting with the presidential candidate, our presidential candidate, Governor Mimiko, last week. So by the time there is time, the campaign will start. Zenith Labour Party will meet and take a position on where to go, and Nigerians will know where to go, where we are going. Thank you very much.